In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build dashboards and reports in monday.com. First, log in to your monday.com account and open the workspace where you want to create your dashboard. Click the plus icon next to your workspace name and select New Dashboard. Enter a name for your dashboard and click Create. Next, choose the boards you want to connect to the dashboard. Select all the boards that contain the data you want to include in your reports. Once your dashboard is created, click Add Widget. Choose the widgets you want to use, such as chart, numbers, battery, table, timeline, or workload widgets. Configure each widget by selecting the board, columns, and data you want to display. Customize your widgets by adjusting labels, filters, colors, and date ranges to match your reporting needs. Add additional widgets as needed to display different metrics and project insights. Arrange the widgets on your dashboard by dragging and resizing them to create a clear layout. When your dashboard is complete, review the data to make sure everything is displaying correctly. You can also export the dashboard as a PDF or adjust sharing permissions to allow team members or stakeholders to view the report. That's it. You've successfully built a dashboard and report in monday.com. Thanks for watching.